Hey, if you wonder about the quality of this default protection case that you can actually find on the box in the Redmi Note 13, I can quickly check this for you. So first of all, I'm gonna put it on the phone. Okay, so it's actually not that easy to put it on, so we have to actually try to bend this case. There we go. Okay, now it's on the screen. So now what is actually very useful, so this case actually goes above the screen surface. So as you can see, when you put your phone like this, screen to the surface, it won't scratch because it's actually lying on the case. Now from this we can also find the buttons. So the buttons works pretty well. At the bottom we can actually find the cutouts for the USB-C port, for the microphone, and for the speakers. On the left side there is nothing, and on the top we can find cutout for the headphone jack, for the speaker, for the AR blaster, and for the microphone. At the back we can also find protection for our lenses. So this case also goes a little bit above the lenses. Not that much actually like on the screen, but still when you put your phone like this on the flat surface, you will probably don't scratch your lenses. So this is pretty cool, and it's silicone. It's actually catching some fingerprints. Maybe it's not visible on the camera, but I can see it when I'm looking on the phone. And the grip is pretty solid, so it's not like, swinging from the hand. So it's pretty nice. It's completely free, but the quality is actually not bad. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.